Imagine you're managing an IT project, and everything seems to be moving forward. Features are being delivered, deadlines are being met, and stakeholders are happy. But beneath the surface, shortcuts taken in the codebase are silently piling up, creating what's known as technical debt. Months later, the project slows to a crawl as those shortcuts make every new feature harder to implement, and every bug harder to fix. Sound familiar? In today's video, we'll dive into the story of Alex, a project manager, who faced this exact scenario. Stick around as we explore actionable strategies to manage technical debt effectively and ensure long-term success for your IT projects. Hi everyone, welcome back to Next Chair. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for weekly tips on IT project management, software development best practices, and risk mitigation strategies. Today, we're tackling a critical yet often overlooked topic: managing technical debt in IT projects. Whether you are a project manager, team lead, or developer, these strategies will help you handle technical debt without derailing your project timeline or quality. Topic introduction. Technical debt is a concept that's all too familiar in software development. It refers to the extra work that accumulates when quick fixes are prioritized over long-term solutions. While technical debt is sometimes unavoidable, if left unchecked, it can cripple your project's progress. To bring this to life, let's follow the journey of Alex, a project manager who learned how to manage technical debt effectively while keeping his project on track. Alex's story offers practical lessons for managing technical debt in your IT projects. Story: recognizing technical debt in the project. Alex was leading a high-pressure software development project for a retail company. The team was working on a new feature that needed to be launched before the holiday season. To meet the deadline, they opted for a quick solution: hard-coding some functionalities instead of creating reusable components. The feature was delivered on time, and stakeholders were thrilled. But as the project progressed, Alex noticed a troubling pattern. The team spent more time fixing bugs and addressing performance issues than building new features. The quick fix had created technical debt. Realizing the problem, Alex took a step back and worked with his team to identify areas where technical debt was slowing them down. Technical note: common signs of technical debt include frequent bugs. Issues arise in unrelated areas after changes are made. Slow development. Adding new features takes much longer than expected. High maintenance costs. More time and resources are spent fixing issues than building new functionality. For example, Alex's team realized that the hard-coded functionality they'd implemented couldn't scale, leading to bugs during peak traffic. By identifying these signs, Alex laid the groundwork for managing technical debt. If you've faced similar challenges in your projects, let us know in the comments below. And if you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Once Alex identified the areas of technical debt, his next step was to create a strategy to address it without derailing the project. Prioritizing technical debt, balancing quick wins and long-term goals. Alex knew that tackling all the technical debt at once wasn't realistic, especially with ongoing deadlines. Instead, he worked with the team to prioritize the debt using a framework that balanced impact and effort. They categorized debt into three groups: critical, moderate, and low priority. Critical debt: issues that directly impacted the project's functionality or posed a security risk. Moderate debt: problems that affected performance but didn't cause immediate issues. Low priority debt: cosmetic or minor issues that could wait. Technical note: to prioritize technical debt, use metrics such as risk impact. Does the debt create security vulnerabilities or risk data loss? Cost to address later. Will ignoring this debt increase future development costs? Frequency of issues. How often does this debt cause bugs or delays? For instance, Alex's team focused on refactoring the hard-coded functionality first because it directly impacted scalability. They scheduled less critical fixes during slower project phases. With a prioritized plan in place, Alex needed a way to integrate debt management into the team's regular workflow. Incorporating technical debt management into agile practices, Alex decided to incorporate technical debt management into the team's agile workflow. During sprint planning, the team allocated 10-15% of their capacity to addressing technical debt. This ensured that debt reduction became a consistent part of their process rather than an afterthought. They also used retrospective meetings to identify new areas of debt and assess progress on existing issues. This helped the team stay proactive about preventing debt from accumulating. Technical note: strategies to integrate technical debt management into agile workflows. Debt reduction sprints: dedicate entire sprints to tackling high-priority debt. Debt tracking: use project management tools like Jira or Trello to log and track technical debt items. Definition of done: include criteria like code is scalable and well documented to prevent new debt. For example, Alex's team added a requirement for unit tests to every user story, ensuring that new features didn't introduce additional debt. Quick reminder: don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips like this. Your support helps us create content to help you succeed. While addressing existing debt was important, Alex knew he also needed to prevent new debt from accumulating. Preventing future technical debt: building a sustainable code base. To stop technical debt from piling up again, Alex focused on improving the team's development practices. He implemented coding standards and emphasized the importance of peer reviews to catch issues early. He also introduced automated testing to ensure the codebase remained stable. Technical note: best practices to prevent future technical debt include: code reviews: require at least one peer review before merging code to ensure quality. Automated testing: implement unit tests, integration tests, and regression tests to catch issues early. Documentation: encourage developers to document code, making it easier to understand and modify. For instance, Alex's team used tools like SonarQube to monitor code quality and flag potential issues in real time. This proactive approach reduced the risk of introducing new debt. Like this video if you're finding these strategies useful, and share it with your team to spread the knowledge. Finally, Alex focused on communicating technical debt's impact to stakeholders to secure their support. Communicating technical debt to stakeholders. One of Alex's biggest challenges was explaining technical debt to stakeholders who were primarily focused on deadlines and deliverables. He used simple analogies, comparing technical debt to financial debt. Taking shortcuts now may save time, but it incurs interest that slows down progress later. Alex also presented data to show how technical debt was impacting productivity and costs. For example, he demonstrated that addressing critical debt reduced bug resolution times by 30%. Technical note: effective ways to communicate technical debt to stakeholders. Use metrics. Highlight the impact of debt on delivery timelines, bug rates, and team efficiency. Provide visuals. Use graphs and charts to show progress on debt reduction. Link to business goals. Explain how reducing technical debt supports scalability, security, and long-term success. By framing technical debt as an investment in the project's future, Alex gained stakeholder buy-in to allocate resources for debt reduction. Conclusion: by addressing technical debt head-on, Alex not only improved his project's performance but also built a sustainable code base for future development. Through identifying debt, prioritizing fixes, integrating debt management into agile workflows, preventing new debt, and communicating effectively with stakeholders, Alex turned a potential project roadblock into a success story. Technical debt is inevitable in IT projects, but with the right strategies, you can manage it effectively and keep your projects on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more IT project management tips. Let us know in the comments how you manage technical debt in your projects. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.